Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the Philippine Statistics Authority Regional Statistical Services Office, Negros Island Region, I warmly welcome you to the press conference on the September 2025 inflation report for the Negros Island region. I am Jalaika Escurante, your moderator for this afternoon's press conference, which is also being streamed live via our official Facebook page, PSA Negros Island Region. We are grateful to have our media partners, stakeholders, and the public who are with us and our online viewers joining us virtually. We also welcome our participants joining us via Google Meet. The link for the Google Meet session is available on our Facebook page. Before we proceed, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our colleagues in public service, our fellow officials and staff from PSA Provincial Statistical Offices of Negros Occidental, Negros Oriental, and Siquijor, and the dedicated personnel from the PSA RSSO Negros Island region. This press conference is being conducted to present the movement in prices of basket of goods and services commonly consumed by households. It helps us understand changes in the cost of living and how purchasing power is affected. This information is vital not just for policymakers but also as consumers and the public. Through this press conference, PSA promotes transparency, data accessibility, and public awareness, ensuring that our stakeholders are informed with official and up-to-date statistics. To present the September 2025 inflation report for the Negros Island region, we are honored to hear from our resource person today. He is the officer in charge, Regional Director of PSA RSSO Negros Island region. Let us all welcome Sir John F. Campomanes.
Maayong hapon sa tanan. The Philippine Statistics Authority Regional Statistical Services Office Negros Island Region will report the inflation rate in Negros Island Region for the month of September 2025. The regional inflation rate, or the change in the average of prices of goods and services in Negros Island Region, increased to 0.8% in September 2025. This rate was higher than the negative 0.2% recorded in August 2025 and lower than the 2.9% in September 2024. Negros Island region ranked 8th among the regions with the lowest inflation rate in September 2025. The average inflation of Negros Island region from January to September 2025 stood at 1.2%. The increase of inflation rate in September 2025 was primarily brought by the annual increment of 0.1% in the index of food and non-alcoholic beverages during the month from 1.8% annual decrease in August 2025. This shared 64.1% to the overall increase in the regional inflation. The commodity groups that significantly contributed to the increase of food and non-alcoholic beverages were the following: vegetables, tubers, plantains, cooking bananas, and pulses with 10.2% inflation from negative 1.8% inflation, particularly tomatoes, fresh or chilled, and fish and other seafood with 3.8% from 0.9%, particularly other pelagic fish, live, fresh, chilled, or frozen. The second driver to the increase of the inflation rate in September 2025 was the increase of 0.2% in the index of housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels that during the month from 1.3% annual decrease in August 2025. This shared 25.4% to the overall increase in the regional inflation. The commodity group that primarily contributed to the increase of housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels was the slower decrement of 7% in the index of electricity from 13.9% annual decline in the previous month. The third driver to the increase of the inflation rate in September 2025 was the increase of 1.3% in the index of transport, during the month from 0.1% annual decrease in August 2025. This shared 10.1% to the overall increase in the regional inflation. The commodity group that primarily contributed to the increase of transport was the increment of 0.3% in the index of fuels and lubricants for personal transport equipment from 5.1% annual decline in the previous month. In terms of contribution to overall inflation in September 2025, the commodity group that contributed the most was driven by food and non-alcoholic beverages with negative 0.03 percentage point contribution, registering an inflation rate of 0.1%. The commodity groups that contributed to the inflation of food and non-alcoholic beverages were the following: cereals and cereal products with negative 7.6% inflation and contributed 16.13 percentage points, particularly rice, and water with negative 1% inflation and contributed 0.09%. The second contributor to the 0.8% inflation rate in the region was restaurants and accommodation services with 0.10 percentage point contribution, registering an inflation rate of 1.6%. The commodity group that significantly contributed to the inflation of restaurants and accommodation services was the index of restaurants, cafe, and the like with 0.10 percentage point contribution and an inflation of 1.6%. The third commodity group that contributed the most was transport with negative 0.01 percentage point contribution,